we are very pleased to present you with this absolutely beautiful Triumph Speed Triple 1050 RS. It's a 2018 bike, just under 14,000 miles and just the 2 owners from new. As you can see, it's absolutely stunning. It's been very, very well looked after, and I dare say this will be one of the best like-for-like examples you'll find out there. Really is one of those bikes that needs to be seen to be appreciated. Now, as I'm sure you all know, the RS really is the top spec in these bikes, and in my opinion, one of the best naked powerhouses out there on the market. Now, as it's the RS, it does come with all the bells and whistles. You really get a fantastic spec, a lot of bike here. So this was the first generation of the Speed Triples that came with the all-new updated switchgear. So it's the much nicer switchgear and the wonderful TFT display as well. We get what they described as the free-flowing exhaust system on this bike, so it was all updated, and you get the Arrow end cans with the carbon accents on there. So with the free-flowing exhaust system, you get much better performance, and of course with those Arrow exhausts, it sounds wonderful. We have the fully adjustable Ohlins suspension, so the lovely upside down forks and that fantastic TTX rear shock that's used on a lot of race bikes. It really is a very good shock. And then we have the fantastic Brembo monoblock calipers there as well. It comes in the wonderful matte jet black, and you also get some carbon accents like the front mudguard, that's carbon fibre. Those side fairings there, carbon fibre. And again, the exhaust trimmings, all carbon fibre on here as well. And tech-wise, again, as we mentioned, you get the new switchgear, 5-inch display. You also get cruise control, LED lights with the DRLs on there. Now this bike comes with 5 rider modes. The standard models only come with 3. Some nice touches there like the Speed Triple RS there on the yoke. Now these also come with keyless ride, but this particular bike comes with an additional fob. Now that comes at a very excessive price as well, so the fact that this comes with an extra fob really is handy. What this also comes with is the quick shifter. Believe it or not, that's one of the only features that these don't come with, but this bike's had the additional quick shifter fitted, and I think if I'm right, they're about £250 plus VAT, and then you fit in as well on top. So again, it's a very nice extra that this has had. We also have the ABS with cornering ABS and traction control. So you really do get some lovely bits on here, and it also comes with a lovely rear tail tidy. But then as you can see, condition wise, really is wonderful. That's why I do these videos, just to really help you get a good idea. See all the exhaust system, all fantastic. So those downpipes in front of the engine there. Like I say, I know the picture and videos never do it justice, but this really is a lovely bike, one of those that needs to be seen to be appreciated. Has some nice tinted headlight covers as well that just really enhance that look from the front. We've also got the rear seat cowl, the original pillion rear seat is present as well. See, there's plenty of life in the tyres, both tyres are good. See, there's the genuine Triumph quick shifter there that's been added. And see, even like the ends of the mirrors, everything's all good. So obviously you just keep the fob nearby. And as you can see there, so we've got just shy of 14,000 miles. There really is so much that you can do with this dash. Can't really go through it all on this video for you, but it's such an extensive display that you get on here. So much that you can do. It does come with a fantastic history as well. We've got both books present. Secondary fob as well, as mentioned. There's 5 service stamps logged in the book, and it also comes with all the paperwork to complement that as well, and detail and document everything that's been done. And the good news with this is it also had the valve clearance check done at 11,000 miles, so it's had everything done that it's required. It's all up to date. It's got a long MOT with no advisories as well. It really is a 5-star bike. Part exchange is welcome. Finance and PCP deals are available along with nationwide delivery. If you require any more information at all, then please do feel free to get in touch.